If you're looking to become a profitable trader, then this video is definitely for you. Today I'm going to show you a 1-minute scalping strategy that has insane returns. I'm going to be testing this strategy on the NASDAQ, but this strategy will work on any market with a high level of daily volume. I will be also using Trader's Edge to track all my trades. Now for the backtesting, the initial account size will be $1,000 with a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. With all that out the way, we can start with the strategy. Now this strategy will use 2 indicators, and without wasting any of your time, let's start with adding our first indicator. So click on the Indicators tab and search for G Channel Trend Direction. Now we will be using this indicator for our primary entry signals. And to make this indicator more accurate, we need to change some settings on it. To do this, click on the settings icon and head to the input section. Then change the length to 150. Alright, just like that, our first indicator is ready. Now let's add our second indicator. To do this, click on the Indicators tab and search for Moving Average Exponential. This indicator will be our filtering and confirmation indicator. Its primary job will be to help filter out losing trades. So we need to change some settings on this indicator too, so clicking on the settings icon and head to the input section. Then change the length to 1000. After that, head to the style section and change the color to white and increase the line thickness to your desire. This is just so we can see it easier. Okay, with both our indicators ready, your chart should look something like this. Now we can start with the entry rules of this strategy. So to enter a long position, the following conditions must be met. Firstly, we need a buy signal to be issued by the G channel indicator. Then we need to see the price action moving above the white moving average line. Here you can see our price action is moving above the 1000 MA line and we have a buy signal issued by the G channel indicator. So with all these conditions met, this is a good entry for a long position. Placing a buy order on the close of our trigger candlestick and setting the stop loss at the recent swing low. Now for our take profit, we're going to be targeting 1.5 times the risk. Alright, that trade was successful. Now let's take a look at one more long example. Here you can see the price action is moving well above the 1000 EMA line. And our primary indicator, the G channel indicator, has issued a new buy signal. So following the rules of entry, we can enter a trade here, placing a buy order on the close of our trigger candlestick and setting the stop loss at the recent swing low. Then for our take profit, we will be targeting 1.5 times the risk. Alright, perfect, that was another profitable trade. Now let's take a look at some short examples. So to enter a short trade, the following conditions must be met. Firstly, the price action has to be moving under the white MA line. Then we need a sell signal to be issued by the G channel indicator. In this example, the price action is moving under the white moving average and we have a sell signal issued by our channel G indicator, so we can enter a short position here. Placing a sell order on the close of the trigger candlestick and setting the stop loss at the recent swing high. Now set your take profit at 1.5 times the risk. Okay, so we just hit our take profit. Now let's take a look at one more short example before I jump into the backtester. Here we have another potential short entry. We have been issued a new sell signal by the G channel indicator and the price action is moving under our white MA line. So with all our conditions met, we can enter a short position here, placing a sell order on the close of our trigger candlestick and setting the stop loss at the recent swing high. Then for our take profit, we will be targeting 1.5 times the risk. Alright, that trade was successful. Now you guys should have a pretty good idea of how the strategy works and then the rules to apply it. Now it's time for me to jump into the backtester and bring you the true numbers behind it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that time lapse of me gathering the 100 trades I've just finished, and the results are actually quite nice. The win rate we got was 60%, and we grew our account size by 133%. We also had a profit factor of 2.96, with our largest profitable trade being just over $99 and our largest loss just over $20. Then we had 5 consecutive wins against just 2 consecutive losses. Now with these results, I definitely recommend you try it out yourself. Test it out on different timeframes and markets, and of course make sure you practice on a demo account with paper money first before trading in live market conditions. And with that, this video is done. I hope you found value in it, and if you want to check out any more strategy vids, I've left a few on your screen now.